Bitcoin prices have risen this morning and the S&P 500 has broken out to new highs. We could be seeing big surges in Bitcoin prices and in the altcoins. If we look at Bitcoin dominance, it has dropped over the last several hours. And in this video, we're going to review the indicators to have them show us what we need for a good, strong, proven continuation. We're going to look at what this change in Bitcoin dominance really means for the altcoins, and we're going to reveal two key areas of opportunity. If Bitcoin dominance is dropping further, these are the two key places where the opportunities will be lying right now in altcoins. I appreciate the time you're taking to watch this technical review, and I hope you get something of value out of it. Let's start off here with the 4-hour view of the MACD indicator. We've been watching the MACD doing this descending triangle at the same time prices are going up, and many people call this a bearish divergence, and it may well be. However, if we have prices breaking out and continuing higher and making new highs, we need to get confirmation at the same time with prices breaking out on the MACD at the same time. The difficulty with the setup in the MACD right now is that it may go a lot deeper before it actually gives us the reversal that we're looking for, the full reversal that we're looking for. And what that means that there is potential for the MACD to go up to these levels and pull back, go up to these levels and pull back before it breaks out, without going into a bearish stance. Even though prices may indeed go up through this period and then down to new lows through this period, up through this period, down to new lows through this period, before prices stabilize and give us a 1, 2, 3 and a reversal at the same time that we break out of this channel. And so just because we're taking off and we're getting some strength right now doesn't yet give full support from this indicator that we're ready to go yet. And there's still lots of room for prices to pull back without really ruining the bullish stance of this consolidation building up right now. So that's the 4-hour in the MACD. If we take a look at the 4-hour in the relative strength index, it's kind of the same story, where we can see that we have this descending wedge just as we had before, and it took a long time for that wedge to build up. We could certainly have the same type of story in the RSI, where it comes up and pulls back to a bullish level and up and back to a bullish level, never breaking down into a bearish stance before it finally actually breaks out. And while we have the RSI holding its level, prices could certainly go down to new lower lows and lower lows, and even challenging those lows here before going back up. And we would call that then a bullish divergence as we are setting up here like that. And this is perfectly viable within the way the chart pattern is right now. So I want to just be aware of that as we're coming out of this, what appears to be a great breakout. And even though it is appearing to be a great breakout, I want to be ready for the potential for it to go lower. So for my own trades, because I got in right in here and my stop loss is just above my entry, I'm waiting for it to consolidate enough that I could put on and add on to a trade. And so if this is it and we're going to be taking off, how do I know if this may not be the best place for me to be adding on to my trade? Tune in tomorrow and we'll find out what went on with Bitcoin prices. But for now, I want to focus on Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance has dropped off considerably overnight. As we were right up at this very top, we went through and did our bull market watch spreadsheet. And we could see that we had 20 more 4-hour EMA exits. 57 coins are in partial hold status now. Now, if Bitcoin dominance is going to continue dropping down from where it is on the 4-hour time frame, if it continues dropping down from here, altcoins are going to be taking off. But which altcoins are going to be the best opportunity is always the question. The two best places to find the best altcoin opportunities right now are going to be those in the partial hold status that are going back into a full hold status. That is, the 4-hour EMA is going to cross back positive as they're taking off and going up. And that's going to be the time to get an add on to those or get into those. The other place where there will be opportunity is these 96 neutral coins. We'll see tomorrow how many have turned into new alerts. So to be sure to hit subscribe and to hit the notification bell icon so that you get notified when I put out another video that talks about Bitcoin prices, and we'll go over Bitcoin dominance and what does that mean for the altcoins. Each day we'll go over the smartwatch control panel and see what has become of the changes. Thanks again for watching all the way to the end of the video. Be sure to give it the thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. I hope that you trade profitably and keep all of your losses small.